How do you deal with the holidays, keto, carnivore, and reunions? I eat keto or carnivore. The number one thing that I learned as I went through those 6, I eat healthy all the time. That's a non-negotiable rule. I can't remember which rule that was. But it's number 6 or number 5. I can't remember, but I eat healthy all the time. So I think if you put yourself in a position where you just know that I only eat, actually it was number 1. I only eat healthy food. I say it differently in my head. So I wrote, I only eat healthy food, healthy keto foods. But in my head, I say I eat healthy all the time because I define healthy as keto foods and that they're under the number. So in my mind, that's how I say it. But that's the way that I manage the holidays. I manage birthdays. I manage any event or special situation. Is if there's food there that falls in line with my way of eating, I'll have some. And if there isn't, I won't. And you add to that I only eat if I'm hungry. So I feel like family parties work better for me because they tend to be in the evening. So for example, Christmas and New Year's, there will be an evening something. So chances are I'm going to eat something at those events and then I'm going to eat only healthy things. But I said they work better for me. If I plan to eat, I guess is the thing. When I go to anything that's earlier in the day, I go there with the intention of, I hope they have good coffee. That's the thought I have in my mind. If they have good coffee, I'm happy. If they don't have good coffee, I hope that they have, I actually sometimes bring sparkling water with me, but I hope they have filtered water. That's my second thing. Or sometimes they have tea. I can usually get away with tea because I don't mind drinking any kind of black tea. So I usually find something to drink.